The Tesla Model S is a game changer. It's a luxury sedan that's also 100% electric. With sleek design and impressive performance, the Model S helped make electric cars desirable. It boasts rapid acceleration and a long driving range. Today, the Model S remains a popular choice for drivers wanting a premium EV experience. Owning a Tesla Model S is more than just driving a car, it's a statement. But even the most advanced vehicles require regular maintenance, including tire replacements. Understanding the costs associated with this is essential for any Model S owner or prospective buyer. Replacing tires on a Tesla Model S can be more expensive than on a typical gas-powered car. On average, expect to spend between $1,000 to $1,500 for a full set of 4 tires. This price range considers the Model S's larger tire size and the need for tires designed for heavier electric vehicles. Remember that this is just an estimate. The final cost will vary depending on several factors. These include the specific tires you select, the shop you choose for installation, and your location. Several factors can influence the cost of replacing your Tesla Model S tires, and understanding these can help you make an informed decision. One of the most significant factors is the tire brand you choose. Premium brands like Michelin or Pirelli, known for their exceptional performance, durability, and longevity, will come at a higher price point. More affordable options from brands like Kumho or Hankook offer good value without compromising safety or reliability. The size of the tires also plays a crucial role in determining the cost. The Model S, particularly in its performance trims, often comes equipped with larger, wider tires designed for enhanced grip and superior handling. Larger tires generally translate to higher replacement costs due to the increased material and manufacturing requirements. Lastly, don't forget about the tire's quality and intended use, which can significantly impact the price. Tires designed for high-performance driving or those with specialized features like noise reduction technology, enhanced tread patterns, or all-weather capabilities will typically cost more. Investing in the right tires can improve your driving experience and ensure your safety on the road. Section 4. Top picks for your Tesla Model S. In this section, we'll explore some of the best tire options available for your high-performance electric vehicle. Choosing the right tires for your Tesla Model S is crucial. The right set of tires can significantly impact your driving experience, safety, and even the efficiency of your vehicle. Given the vehicle's weight and performance capabilities, you need tires that offer a balance of grip, durability, and efficiency. This ensures that your Model S performs optimally under various driving conditions. Michelin's Pilot Sport 4S tires are a popular choice among Model S owners. These tires are known for their high performance and reliability. They provide excellent handling and grip, making them suitable for spirited driving while maintaining a comfortable ride. Whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising on the highway, these tires deliver. If you prioritize range and efficiency, consider the Pirelli Cinturato P7 All Season Plus. These tires are designed to enhance your vehicle's range without compromising on performance. These tires are engineered for low rolling resistance, which can help maximize your Model S's range. This means you can travel further on a single charge, making them ideal for long-distance driving. For a more budget-friendly option, the Kumho Extra PS71 offers a good balance of performance and value. These tires provide reliable performance without breaking the bank, making them a great choice for cost-conscious drivers. Section 5. The EVadvantage tires and efficiency. Tire quality and performance are particularly crucial for electric vehicles like the Tesla Model S. Why? Because the efficiency of an electric vehicle is highly dependent on the tires it uses, because tires directly impact the car's range. The type of tires you choose can make a significant difference in how far you can travel on a single charge. Rolling resistance, the force that opposes a vehicle's motion, plays a significant role in how far an EV can travel on a single charge. Lower rolling resistance means less energy is required to keep the car moving. High-quality tires designed for low rolling resistance can help maximize your Model S's range. These tires are engineered to reduce the energy lost as the tire rolls, thereby extending the vehicle's range. These tires are often constructed using special compounds and tread patterns that minimize energy loss as the tire rolls. The unique design and materials used in these tires are specifically tailored to enhance efficiency. While they might cost slightly more upfront, the benefits they offer in terms of efficiency and savings are substantial. The potential savings on electricity and extended driving range can make them a worthwhile investment. Over time, the reduced energy consumption can lead to significant cost savings, making these tires a smart choice for any EV owner. Section 6. Making the right choice for your ride. Choosing the right tires for your Tesla Model S is a personal decision. Consider your driving style, typical road conditions, and budget. Don't hesitate to consult with a trusted tire professional who can guide you toward the best options for your needs. Regularly inspect your tires for signs of wear and tear. Check your tire pressure regularly, as proper inflation is crucial for both safety and tire longevity. By staying proactive with your tire maintenance, you can ensure a smooth, safe, and enjoyable driving experience in your Tesla Model S.